Hello, Rajni joshi. Good afternoon. How are you?
Hello, sir. I'm fine.
Okay. Rajni joshi, you applied for front-end position, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just tell me about yourself.
Myself, Rajni Joshi. I am studied MCom and MCM in 2010, and after that, I may do a job of account assistant. And a big gap, I am doing searching for IT sector job. So I'm give this interview.
Then why are you changing your current job?
It is very stuck, very hard working job. I am not doing time for anything. So I am interested in IT sector. I want to study and make a job, doing job in IT sector. So I want to change my field.
How much rate yourself in HTML, CSS, JavaScript out of 5?
HTML 3, uh, CSS also 3, JS 1.
In JS only one?
Not practice.
Okay,
So
no problem. Okay. First, we go ahead with HTML, CSS, then we'll start on JavaScript. Okay.
okay,
Tell
sir.
me, what is difference between HTML and HTML5?
HTML and HTML5.
Yes.
HTML is old version. HTML5 is the latest version. So HTML is slow as compared to HTML5. HTML5 is fast as compared to HTML4. In HTML, uh, the audio and video uh, can't support without Flash player. And in HTML5, audio and video can support with the tag of input, audio tag and video tags. And HTML can support media queries, responsive designs. Sorry, HTML can't support. And HTML5 is support to media queries and responsive designs. In HTML, the if inaccurate code is not acceptable. In HTML5, the inaccurate code will be uh, run or done doing fluently.
Okay. What is difference between inline and block level element?
Inline and block element.
Yes.
Inline element is uh, start from same line, and block element start will be new line. Inline elements have two directions, left right, two margins, sorry, and block level element have four margins. You can do margins to all the directions, and we can merge inline element into block element, but block element can't merge into inline. We can do it, but it's not the right way to do it. So we can not do block element under inline element. And inline element takes place with its contents, and block level element takes the width to its parents. This
Okay.
is the difference.
What is difference between display none and visibility hidden?
Display none. In display none, the HTML element removes uh, on that time the space occupied the next element of this, and the structure of the layout will be changed. And visibility hidden, when we remove any HTML element, that time the space will be occupied itself, not taken the other element take this space, and the structure of the layout doesn't change. This space is unseen, but structure is same, not change. This is a major difference between display none and display hidden, visibility hidden, sorry.
Uh, what is box sizing?
Box sizing is a CSS. Uh, with the help of box sizing, we can give the size, height, width to the given box. Box sizing is the mm, by default given to all content. Every content has box content, padding, margin, border. It is compulsory given to all HTML elements.
And what is box model?
Box model is also properties of mm, padding, margin, content, and border. Padding
Can
means
you?
we,
Okay, okay, go ahead.
yes, can
Yes, yes, go ahead.
padding means space between content and border, and border means separation between uh, margin and padding, and margin means space outside the border. This is the properties of box model. Every
Oh,
HTML content contains these box model properties.
okay. Now, what is mean by attribute?
Attribute. With the help of attribute, we can switch tab to next website in new tab. We can going through in a new page with the help of attributes.
Sure. I say what is mean by attributes, not a anchor tag.
Acha, sorry. Attributes give some information of HTML element to the browser.
Okay, good. What is float?
Float is a property. Two types of float: float left and float right. By default, float left is the property. To reduce the effect of the float, we can also use the display none.
Display none. Are you sure?
I'm confused.
Okay. Brush up on it after the intro. Okay.
Yeah.
What are the list in HTML?
What are the list?
List.
When you give a list of item, that time we use the list tag. With the help of list, we can give ordered list, unordered list. Uh, in anchor tag, we can write the list.
In anchor tag. Are you sure?
Angular bracket.
Angular bracket.
Sorry,
Okay.
angular bracket.
Angle bracket. Okay, no problem.
Uh, list can we can display in order list means numbers in the form of number or Roman. We can give this
Okay.
format, and in
Okay.
order list
Show me one list with Roman number. Share your screen and show me.
Roman number.
First, share your screen.
एक सेकंड शेयर करने था ना. Can you see me, sir?
Yeah. Yes, it's visible.
Just a second. For Roman, sorry, sir. For Roman number, what I could take?
What happened?
Sorry, sir. I can't hear.
What happened?
I didn't find for Roman what is taken.
Use small I letter.
Thank you, sir.
Just apply margin at least to 100 pixel to OL.
Margin,
Use a margin.
mass,
It will be visible. And at least 100 pixel.
100 pixel.
Yes, use. Otherwise, it will not be visible. It's, it's
Okay, wait.
showing.
Okay, I can understand. It is double I. It's like that. Sorry. Oh,
What happened?
what? Only one is given. Nothing working.
Remove the all types from here.
All types.
Remove all that.
Yes, sir.
Use it in OL.
Use
On
in
OL tab, not on LI. On OL at line
OL.
number 10.
Okay, okay. I understand. OL tag type.
Type is equal to small
Oh,
I.
oh,
That's it. Okay.
sorry. Thank you. It's working.
Now, what is meant by specificity?
Passivity means precedence power.
Which type of advanced selector we use in CSS?
Selectors type
Advanced selectors.
CSS, sorry, simple selector, combinator selector, attribute selector. These are
Can you elaborate combinator selectors?
combinator selectors. Descendant selector. First is descendant, and second direct child selector, adjacent child selector, and fourth one is
Okay, which type of symbol we use in general sibling selector?
greater than.
Okay, which type of symbol we use in direct child selector?
I think I'm wrong. For direct child selector, greater than sign is used. And general sibling selector, uh, up sign.
So,
Sorry, sir, I forget.
okay. Now, what is difference between pseudo class and pseudo element?
Pseudo pseudo elements are before, after selectors selection, and pseudo classes are uh, first child, last child, nth child, nth child, 2n plus 1, nth child, odd, even. Pseudo elements are first letter and first element. These are the types of pseudo class and pseudo elements.
Okay, no problem. Uh, in how many way can we position an HTML element?
We can give position in four ways: static position, absolute, uh, relative position, and fixed. With the help of relative position, we can use any other box on the relative box. We can move this box on the relative positions box.
What is meant by sticky position?
Sticky position means we can stick the box on the top of the relative box. This
Relative
is
box.
uh,
Okay, try it, check it or brush upon it after the interview. Now, we have here some list. Can you copy it again? All three list, all the three li, copy it again,
yeah.
copy it and paste again. In same OL, copy it. Yes, okay. Listen carefully. I want to background color to each even li. How to achieve it?
Background
Apply the,
color. Okay.
yes, to each even li only. Got it?
Even li.
Yes.
Okay. Second. Oh, namaste. Here is an error. I think I am doing wrong thing.
Okay. Check it after the intro. Right. Okay.
Hmm. Okay, sir.
Now we'll start on JavaScript. What is function?
Function is a there are two types of scope in JavaScript. First is global scope and second is functional scope. In that functional scope, we sorry, you said function. Sir, what's your question? Can you repeat?
Hello. What
Hello?
happened?
Can you repeat your question? I can understand. What is
What is
function?
function?
Acha. Function is like a formula. Uh,
No problem.
we can use function in JS with the help of methods, properties,
What? Okay. What is hosting?
hosting.
Yes.
Mm, The upper part of the scope where we declare all the declarations are shifted into the top of the scope. Uh, this called hosting. Except the functional scope, all the declarations are declared in the global scope. But these declarations are accessible for all the page. Here declare only the variable, not their assigned values.
Okay. What is object? What is array?
What is object? In JavaScript, everything is object except a primitive data type. Uh, object. is a data type of Java. Array is also a data type of Java. Array means information of data collected in a single variable, store in a single variable is called array. We can store multiple item or element can be stored in a single variable with the help of array.
With a single.
Single variable, store in a single variable is called array.
Sure.
Example, uh,
No. Are you sure on that?
can you understand what I'm saying? All the atoms like numbers are stored in a square bracket in a single variable is called array. I can't explain in English.
Okay, no problem. What is undefined, not defined?
Undefined. When we declare any variable but not their value is called undefined. And not defined means we can't declare any variable, also value is called not defined.
Okay.
Undefined is data type.
Okay, no problem. Now, what is the use of slice?
Nice. With the help of slice, we can add uh, new element in the starting with of array.
Are you sure?
I think I'm confused.
Okay, no problem. Now, what is use of index of method?
Index method. I don't know. I don't know, sir.
Okay, no problem. Now, what is mean by higher order function?
You're not. In HTML element, can you access this element to JS? That time it is converted into an object. This process is called order function. HF. I sorry, it's a DOM. Higher order function.
Okay, what is mean by DOM? Can you repeat again?
In HTML element can access in the JS. That time it will be converted into an object. This is called an document object method. When we use the HTML elements in JS for this process, DOM is called.
How many methods are available to select the HTML element in JavaScript?
How many methods to access?
To select the HTML element.
I think three methods. Uh, document dot get uh, document dot get ID by sorry document dot get document by ID and document dot ex- inner HTML is equals to return. One method I can explain when we give any ID to the HTML. With the help of this ID we can access this HTML element in the JS uh, with the method of uh, uh, let let uh, variable name is equals to document dot get document by ID uh, in bracket ID name. Uh, we can store the result in id name dot inner html is equals to result.
Okay. What is difference between for each and map method?
For each and method. Math method is used to calculation of mathematics.
Map method, map.
Map, sorry. Mm, just a second. For each and map is similar, but for map is used.
Okay. Check it after the intro. Okay.
mm,
Properly. What is difference between sum and every method?
Common.
Oh, no problem. Okay, Rajni Joshi. Done from my side. Do you have any question for me?
No, sir. Thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.